Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to easily create a Shopify store from complete scratch. This will be a step-by-step tutorial, so let's get started. So, first things first, we're going to get ourselves a 14 days free trial on Shopify. I will leave a link for you guys in the description box down below, so make sure to check it out.
Check it out, guys!
Then you can go ahead and create a new Shopify account using your email address. Click on Start Free Trial. Now, choose a nice and easy to remember password and click on Create Your Store. Then you can answer these simple questions about yourself or choose to skip them to save your time. I'm just gonna skip them because I'm lazy. Now, you have to type your name and address where you will get paid. Interesting. And click on Enter My Store. Okay, so this is our store's backend or our store's main dashboard. It's very simple as you can see. The first step is choosing your online store's theme. Check out the menu on the left side and click on Online Store. Then Themes. Your current theme is the default Dawn theme. It's good, but we can do better. There are many good free themes out there. So, scroll down here and click on Explore Free Themes. Here, you can choose a nice theme based on your store's niche. So let's say, for example, that you have a clothing store. Then you can choose this one. And when you're satisfied with your theme's choice, then you can go ahead and click Actions. And then click on Publish. There, you can see that the Dawn theme has been replaced with the new theme. Great! So, now comes the fun part. Click on Customize to modify your online store's front end. Here, you can upload your store's logo, a nice theme, customize your home page, add new pages, such as product pages, review pages, collection pages, and so on and many more. And here, you can see how your store will actually look like on different devices and resolutions, like on a PC, on a phone, or a tablet, and then adjust it accordingly. On the left side, you can find the complete structure of your homepage, starting from the header all the way down to your website's footer. And here, between the header and the footer, is the content of your homepage. And these right here are your default section. This is a slideshow section, a collection list section, a feature collection section, a product list section, and a subscribe to the newsletter section. And the best part is that you can modify these sections by simply dragging these sections on the left side. And if you want to add something new to your homepage, for example, then you can just click on Add New. Or if you want to delete a section, for example, then you can simply click on it and then click on Remove Section. Let's now start actually designing our store. We can start by creating our store's logo. If you don't already have a store logo, then it's okay. You can easily create one for free using Canva in under 2 minutes. Canva has many free logo templates out there. Plus, it's beginner friendly. Or you can just watch my tutorial video right here on how to create a free logo. So now, if you have a logo, then great. You can select Header, then click on Select Your Logo. Now, you can upload your store's logo, and trust me, the more professional your logo looks like, and your homepage looks like, the more sales you will get. And the best and easiest way to do this is to take a look at other successful online stores out there in your niche and try to make a similar website to it. But of course, don't copy everything, only the essential things, because your store also needs to be unique in its own way. What I mean by this is you need to have a unique and memorable logo, a nice and organized pages, unique products with not much competition in the market out there. Let's say that your online store is selling beauty products, for example. You have to look for other stores in this niche and see how their homepage looks like. For example, this beauty store right here, Truly Beauty. This store looks very professional, and you can easily make yours similar to it. Like I said, you don't have to invent something new here. You just have to see what's already working and add a little bit of spice to it and make it unique in your own way. Great. Okay, so now back to our store's logo. If your logo's color is black, then you can upload a white version of that logo right here in transparent logo. That way, when you select a different page in your website, your logo's color will change with it. So now, you can go back to your homepage, select header, and scroll down to the announcement bar menu right here. Here, you can announce any offers to your customers. You can put something like a discount code or free shipping on a specific collection or something. Yeah, people really like free stuff. And this will definitely boost your conversion rate. You can also put something like buy 2 items or buy 2 products and get 1 for free. Yeah, these are all great examples and promotions that can really help you to increase your sales in your store. And like I said before, people love free stuff. Remember that. You can also remove the announcement bar if you want to, but I don't recommend that. Okay, now moving on to the slideshow. In this tutorial, I will only upload 1 slideshow photo, but of course, you can upload more if you want. Here, in text alignment, you can put the text of the image to the middle, left, or right. You also need to change your heading and subheading. Notice there is something here, the Shop Now button. You can simply add it down here in the button link. You can put a specific collection if you have a feature collection as an image of the slideshow. I'm just gonna put collections and then all collections. This way, when customers enter the store and click on Shop Now button, they will be able to view all the collections of our store. You can also change the color shop button and make it more visible. You can, for example, put red color. Yes, red is a very unique color, and I personally love the red color. Nice. This store is already looking professional and beautiful. Now, let's go and check out our store, our collection list section. Let's first write an eye-catching name for our collection list. Something like Beauty for Everyone collection. Yeah. That's good. That way, we can create many collections based on body part, age, etc. For example, I have a beauty and skincare store. Then I'm gonna create collections like face collection, acne patches collection, legs collection, teens collection, and so on and many more. This way, customers can find what they're looking for and what they need faster and easier based on these collections. For the sake of this tutorial, and not to make this video too long for you guys, I'm just gonna keep it to 2 collections. So, now we can edit these 2 collections. So click Save right here, and then let's head to the back end of our Shopify store, and there we can edit our collection. So click on Products, and then click on Collections. This is our default collection called Homepage. Just go ahead and delete that. Just click on this box here, and then click on More Actions, then delete the collection. Or you can keep it if you want. Then we can simply create a new one, and let's name it Face Collection. Now, you have to choose an SEO-friendly title in order for your collection to appear and rank higher in the search results, or in the SERPs, as I like to call it, or as Google and Bing calls it, or any other browser. And if you don't know what SEO is, SEO simply refers to search engine optimization. And what that means is when you choose a specific keyword that people are constantly searching for and put it in your titles and your descriptions and your tags and even your collection image, then it will definitely rank higher on Google, for example. And people will see it more and click on it more, which eventually means more sales for you. So yeah, SEO is very important in e-commerce. Here you can find the most searched keywords with the least competition out there using SEMrush. I will put a link for you guys in the description down below. And if you want, you can watch my full tutorial video on SEO. For this tutorial, I will just put Face Collection as a title. Usually, you have to fill it up with up to 60 characters or even a little more. And you can also put your keyword first. For example, my keyword is face. Then the title will be something like Face Beauty Skincare Collection. Perfect. Then, in the description below, your keyword also always comes first. And don't repeat this keyword more than 2 times in the description or in the title, or in the URL or in the image or tags, because that will look like spam. And trust me, when the Google bots, which Google calls them spiders, scroll down on your page, they will definitely know that there is a spam and that there is something wrong. And nobody likes spam. And they will not rank your page higher. That's why keep it simple with only one keyword. Simple is always better, trust me. So, in the description field below, I will write something like Face Skincare Collection will really bring happiness to your life with our special serums, creams, and more. Yeah, something like that. You can of course write something much better using ChatGPT or something. And on the right side here, you can upload your collection's image. Click on Edit, then put your keyword, then click on Save. And here, in the collection type, put manual, because we will edit our products manually later. Also, put your keyword in the tag section and in the URL. For the URL, put your keyword first, like we said before, then comma, then another word, comma, then another word, something like face, comma, beauty, comma, skincare. This is great. Now, you can hit save. You can do the same process now for your other collection. Now, we can put these 2 collections in our homepage. Let's go back to our theme. Then select your first collection, and here you can put any collection you want. Next thing to do is to set up our featured collection. This will show the products of that collection, but we still don't have any products for this collection yet. So, click Save and go back to your store's dashboard. Click on Products and then click on All Products. Now, click on Add Product. You can name your product whatever you want, but remember, it needs to be SEO friendly. And put your keyword first, like we said earlier. I'm gonna name it Anti-Acne Serum. And for the description, you need to also put your keyword first. I'm just gonna skip this step for now to save your time. Here, you have to upload your product's images or videos. Now for the price of the product. You have to do some research before putting any price, because if your price is too low, then you won't make much of a profit. And if it is too high, then people won't buy from you. They will look for someone else. You need to take a look at the market and your competition and get an idea first about the others' prices, and then set your price accordingly. So take your time with this. That is a smart strategy. So here, you put the price of your product that you're selling. And if you have a discount on that product, for example, you can put the original price of it and compare at price. And here, you can put the original cost of your product. And below here, you put the quantity of your product available in your stock. And below here, you can add more information about your product. And you can edit your URL for SEO, just like we did for the collection URL. And up here, you have to put the collection or collections that your product belongs to. And also add your keyword to the tags here. And now, when everything is ready, click on Save and go back to All Products. For your other products, you can do exactly the same thing that we did just now. And here, you can change the status of your products from draft to active. Or you can simply select all and click on More Actions. Then select Set as Active. Let's now go back to our theme customization. Now, you can see the products that we added on our best-selling collection or our homepage for the featured product that you want to show on your homepage. You can select any one you want. Now, all that's left to do is the newsletter section for the email marketing. But first, you need to set up email marketing in the back end of your store. But for now, in the heading section, write something like Join Our Family. And in the subheading, write something like Enter your email to receive a 10% discount or a free shipping or something like that. Like we said, people love these types of promotions. And when you receive your customers' emails, you can always send them new emails about new products, discounts, and so on. And they can even become regular customers. We will talk about that more later. Now, the footer of our store. This one is really interesting. You can put social links like a Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or any of the other social platform link in your footer. And as you know, social media is essential nowadays for promoting pretty much anything. And on your footer, you can also put some useful information, such as the physical address of your store if you have one, your store's email, which needs to be a professional one and not a personal one. Something like your store alt@gmail.com or something. You can easily get one like that, and you can also add a phone number of your store. In addition to that, you can also add some useful pages links to your footer, such as a refund policy page, a shipping policy page, a privacy policy page, a returning policy page, and a blog page also. These will all give more trust and more credibility to your customers to buy from you. Because, trust me on this, trust is the most important thing in e-commerce or drop shipping. If something is missing here, or it feels like a scam to your customers, then this will definitely drop your conversion rate. And what I mean by this conversion is the number of sales divided by the number of visitors to your store. Okay, nice. These policy pages will really increase your sales, but first, we have to create them in the back end of our store. Don't worry now, this will only take a few minutes because we will use AI to do this. So, go to Settings and then go to Policies. Now you have two choices. You can either generate your policies using the Shopify templates by clicking on Create from Template right here, and repeat it for every policy down there. But you should know this, that these are just default templates. You have to change a few things in these policies in order to match your store's policies. But they will of course save you a lot of time in doing so. And now, your second choice to generate these policies is simply to ask ChatGPT to write them for you. For example, go to ChatGPT and ask it to write a shipping policy for my online skincare products store, and it will generate it for you. Great. And if you still don't know how to use ChatGPT, then I made a complete tutorial on how to use ChatGPT, so make sure to check that out. However, you should always check for any copyright in these policies using any other tool to avoid any sort of trouble. Now, all your legal pages are ready, and all that's left is to make these pages appear on our store's footer. For that, go back to your main dashboard and click on Online Store, and then click on Navigation, and then Footer menu. Here, you can either add new links or remove old ones. You don't need this search one, so just go ahead and remove that. Then click Add Menu Item. Click on Policies, and now we can add each policy that we've created and assign each one of them a policy name. And then click on Save menu. Now, go back to your theme's customization and also click on Save and refresh the page. And now you can see our legal pages are on the footer of our website. Awesome. We will also add some social media links. Just go to the footer all the way down here, and we can add all of our social media links, and they will instantly appear on our footer. Now that we've added our footers menu, we need to add our main menu, which is the first thing that your customers will see when they're looking to get into different pages of your online store. For that, go again to your dashboard and click on Online Store, then Navigation. Now, click on Main menu. Just like the footer menu, you can add here some useful links to your customers in your main menu. You can, for example, add links to your collection pages, links to your policies, and so on. I'm just gonna add 2 links here to my collection. Then you can go ahead and click on Save. And let's go back now to our theme. Click on Save and refresh this page. And now you should be able to see your top main menu. This looks great. Now let's edit some of our theme style and design. Here comes the fun part. Click on Theme Settings and then Favicon. Here, you can upload your logo. So, when your customers visit your store, they can see it in their browser, and you can create a favicon using Canva for 100% free. Link in the description below. And here, in colors, you can choose the default color of your almost every element of your page. And in typography, you can select the font that matches your store's design and your taste. And in checkout, you can add your logo to the checkout page to add a more branded experience to your store. And you can also add a background image right here. Awesome. Now, our Shopify store is almost ready. You can also check if anything else is missing and adjust it. For the store's mobile and tablet experience, Shopify has got you covered. Everything is already optimized to be mobile and tablet friendly. Nice. Go back now to your Shopify dashboard and click on Settings at the bottom right here. In Store Details, you need to give your store a nice name. If you can't think of any name right now for your store, then you can of course ask the one and only ChatGPT to give you some name suggestions for your store. Easy. Also, put the legal name of your business. Then scroll down here and check if these information are correct, such as your address, your contact information, and so on. Now, another important thing is to go to your payments and choose a payment provider or providers based on where you live. So, for example, if you live in the US, then the most common payment providers out there are the Shopify Payments, Stripe, and PayPal. And if you're based somewhere else, for example, then there are many other payment providers out there. These will help you gain more trust with your customers and make them more comfortable to buy from you and to complete their purchase. And the more payment methods you add to your store, the more your customers will be able to buy from you. You can even add a cryptocurrency as a payment method, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and so on. Yeah, crypto is a very popular way of payments nowadays in online shopping. There are other ways of payments, such as bank transfer and payment on delivery. So you have many options here to make sure that you can get paid. So click on Activate any payment method that you like. However, keep in mind that every payment provider has its own transaction fees and withdrawal times and amounts. That's why you need to do a good research before choosing any one of these payment providers. Now let's go to shipping and delivery. Click on Manage Rates. Here you can put how much you want to charge your customers for shipping. To increase your sales, you can offer your customers free shipping and add the actual shipping cost to the product's price. Now that's a smart business strategy. Like I said, people love free stuff. So go ahead and delete the default shipping zones and click on create a new shipping zone. Then click on rest of the world right here. Then add rate. And I'm gonna name it free shipping and set the price to 0. Next thing to do is go to the markets. If you're a global seller, then select all of these markets right here. And if you're a local one, then just select your location and activate it. Now, let's go check out the domains. Your current domain name is the default Shopify subdomain. You need your own domain name because first, it's easier to remember, and second, it gives more trust to your customers to buy from you, as it is a more professional domain name. So, for that, if you already have your own domain name, you can connect it to your Shopify store. If you for example, bought it from GoDaddy or Namecheap or any other provider, or you can simply buy a new one, either from Shopify or from GoDaddy, and connect it to your online store. I'll leave a link for you guys in the description box down below. Okay, now the last thing to do here is to launch our store and make it live. For that, go back to your Shopify dashboard and click on Online Store, and then click on Preferences. Here, you need to put your homepage title and the meta description, and keep it so SEO friendly using keywords, so it will appear on the search results when someone is searching for something in particular. Now, scroll down to password protection. Here, you need to disable your store's password, so your store becomes live and people can visit it and buy your products. But before that, you need to choose a Shopify plan for your store. And don't worry, Shopify won't charge you anything until the end of your free trial. And by that time, I'm sure you will get a lot of sales. Awesome. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. Feel free to watch my other courses on e-commerce and dropshipping. And I'll see you on the next course.